Hello, my name is Exel from SMA1 IPAA. Today in this video, I will talk about system of units. The first system is MKS system. MKS stands for meter kilogram second. And here's the table of units for the MKS system. In distance, we use meters, mass is kilograms, speed is meter per second, acceleration is meter per second squared. The force we use Newton, and it is kilogram meter per second squared. Density or the symbol rho, which is kilogram per meter cube. Pressure, we use Pascal. Pascal is Newton per meter squared. Work, we use Joule, which is equals to Newton meter or kilogram meter squared per second squared. For the power, it is watt, and watt it is equal to kilogram meter squared per second cube. Next, we have the CGS system. CGS stands for centimeter gram second. It is the distance, it is centimeter, mass is gram, speed is centimeter per second, acceleration is centimeter per second squared, force is dynes, it equals to gram centimeter per second squared, density it is gram per centimeter cube, pressure is dyne per centimeter squared, work we use erg, which is dyne cm, and it is equals to drum centimeter squared per second squared. In power, it is erg per second, which is equals to gram cm squared per second cube. In FPS system, FPS stands for feet pound second. Distance, we use feet, mass we use log, speed it is feet per second, acceleration feet per second squared, force it is pound or lb, it is equals to slug feet per second squared, density slug per feet cube. In pressure, we use pound per feet squared. Work, we use foot pound or slug feet squared per second squared. In power, it is foot pound per second, which is equals to slug feet squared per second cube. Okay, we are going to answer these 5 questions of conversion of units from one system to another system. I will switch to MS Paint. Okay, now we will answer the first question. The first question is turn 3 kilometers per minute to FPS system. We will convert 3 kilometers to meters. So we're going to cancel this by dividing it by 1 kilometer, and on top of 1 kilometer we put the conversion of kilometer to meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and after we convert kilometer to meters, the next thing to do is convert meter to foot. The same thing, we want to cancel meter, so we put 1 meter here, and on top of 1 meter we put 1 meter, it is equal to 3.28, so we put 3.28 feet. Okay, so and we already finished converting kilometers to feet, and the next thing is to convert minute to second. So okay, in order to cancel minute, we put the minute on top of the fraction, and 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute it is equals to 60 seconds, and we put 60 seconds below. And the next thing to do is to multiply. Okay, I'm going to get my calculator to calculate this. So 3 times 1000 times 3.28 feet times 1, it is equal to 98,400 feet. Okay, and below it is minute times 1 times 1 and times 60, so it is over 60 second. Okay, then we need to divide 98,400 by 60, so 98,400 over 60, and it is 1640 feet per second. Okay, the second question is turn force slug feet squared over second squared to CGS system. So same procedure as the previous question. Okay, we should write this first and brush and this second squared. So we don't need to convert the second to anything because this is the standard unit for time in CGS, whether it is FPS, CGS, or MK system. They use second as their time unit. So the first thing is to convert slug to grams. So in order to convert slug into grams, we first convert slug into kilogram, and one slug is approximately 14.59. So to cancel slug, this slug on top, we need to put one slug. Oh, sorry. We need to put one slug on the denominator side, and on top one slug, it is equal to 14.59, approximately 14.59. So 14.59 kilograms. So parenthesis, then we need to convert kilograms to grams, and we need to cancel kilogram. So 1 kilogram, it is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, finish. After we convert that this slug into grams, we need to convert feet squared into centimeter squared. So the first thing is to convert foot to meter first, then meter to centimeter. So we need to cancel this feet squared, so 1 feet and squared because it is feet squared. Okay, and for 1 feet it is equal to 0.3048. So 0.048 meters. Okay, after meter we convert it into centimeter. So below it is 1 meter, then 1 meter it is 100 centimeters. Okay, and squared because it is meter squared, and this should be squared also. I think that should be it, and last thing to do is to calculate it. Okay, I will get my calculator And first we need to multiply this 4 times 14.59 times 1000 grams times 0.3048 squared times 100 squared, and it is 54,218,204.14 sorry, it is grams centimeters squared over second squared. Okay, here's the answer. So it is 54,218,214.14 grams centimeter squared per second squared. Okay, for the third question, we have turn 45 slug centimeter per hour squared to MKS system. Okay, so 45 slug centimeter over hour squared. Okay, the first thing is to convert slug into kilogram. So as usual, slug, we cancel it by dividing it by one slug, and one slug it is equals, and slug is equals to 14.59 kilograms, so 14.59 kg. And after that, we convert centimeter to meter. So we need to cancel centimeter by 1 cm. So we divide it by 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter to meter, it is, so 1 divided by 100, it is 0.01 meters. Okay, the next thing is to convert hour to second. So okay, right here the hour squared, it is in the denominator side. So in order to cancel this hour squared, we have to put hour on top into the denominator. Okay, so 1 hour, it is equals to 3,600 seconds. Yeah, okay, and then we need to square it. Okay, first thing to do is to calculate it in our calculator. So 45 times 14.59 kg times 0.01 times 1 squared is 1, so times 1. Okay, it is 6.5655. Okay, we need to simplify it to two significant figures. So no, here we have a whole number, so it is approximately 7 kg meter. Then we divide it by 3,600 squared, and it is 7 divided by 3,600 squared, and it is approximately, it is and we convert it into 3 significant figures. So yeah, and it is 5.40 times 10 to the power of -7 Newton. In MKS, it is Newton. This is, oh yeah, I forgot, this is second. So kilogram meter per second squared. Okay, squared. It is Newton in MKS. So yeah, this is the answer right here. 5.40 times 10 to the power of -7. And the fourth question, it is 3 HP, and HP is horsepower, and I want you to let you know that 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. So 30 horsepower to FPS. So 30, we need to convert HP to watt first. So 30 times 746 watt. So, and it is equal to 30 times 746. It is 22,380 watt. Okay. 32, 30, 380 watt. Okay, and you know, we know that watt it is equal to kilogram meter squared over second cube. Okay, so it is 22,380. Yeah. Kilogram meter squared over second cube, sorry. Okay. Okay, then the question here says that we have to convert it to FPS. So kilogram, we need to convert it to slug. Yes, in FPS we use slug for the mass. So we have to cancel kilogram. So 1 kilogram, and we convert kilogram to slug, and 1 kilogram to slug is 0.068 approximately. Is okay, wait. Here it is. Transparent. Where do I put? Okay, here. Okay. Okay. So 1 kilogram is approximately 0.08.
What you're going to hear about
Yes,
today
0.08.
is nothing short of a miracle.
0.09. Okay. 0.069 slug. Then we want to convert meter to feet. So meter to feet, it is 3.28. So we need to cancel meter squared. So 1 meter, 1 meter is 3.28 feet. Oh, and it is squared, and that times. Then we don't have to convert the second. So yeah. So yeah, last thing to do is to calculate it. So 22,380 times 0.069 times 0.28 squared. So it is 16.60 16,613 point. We convert into 1 2 3 4 5. So five significant figures. So yeah, so 16,613 slug feet squared per second cube. So here it is. This is the answer. 16,613 slug feet squared per second cube. Okay, so for the last question here, turn 35.4 kilogram meter per second squared to slug feet per minute squared. Okay, so first thing to do is to convert kilogram to slug. So 1 kilogram, we cancel the kilogram, cancel, and 1 kilogram, it is approximately 0.069. So times 0.069 slug, and we need to convert meter to feet. So over 1 meter and feet. So 1 meter, it is 3.28 feet. So it is cancel. Yes. Then we need to convert second squared to minute squared. So in order to cancel this, we need 1 second on top of the fraction. This is not 15, this is second. Yeah, and 1 second to minute, it is 1 second to minute, it is 1 per 60 minutes, and it is squared. Okay, cancelled. So calculate it. 35.4 times 0.69 times 3.28 times 1 squared. It is 0.01178. Yeah, this is slug feet over 1 over 60 minutes. So it is 1 over 3 3,600 seconds squared. So okay, so okay, wait 0.011728, and we divide it by 1 over 3,600. It is 28,842.22 28,842.22 slug feet over minute squared. So here is the answer. That's it for today. Thank you for your attention. Hope you get knowledge from my explanation. Thank you and goodbye.